stage is set. It's time for these young guns to shine bright. The superstars of tomorrow in action today. It's an India versus Pakistan final in the DP World Men's Under-19 Asia Cup 2025. We're coming to you live from the ICC Academy ground in Dubai. The energy will be high. All eyes will be on these young guns. And the officials, they've got a role to play in this contest as well. It's a big match for them as well. Kamruzzaman from Bangladesh and Ravindra Kotahachi from Sri Lanka, the two on-field umpires officiating this game. Vaibhav Suryavanshi. That big 171 from this young left-hander in the opening game set the tournament alight as far as the Indian campaign was concerned. At the other end, there was Samir Minhas from Pakistan as well, who got that big 177. And straight away had the batter feeling for that delivery. Zahoor was at odds and ends there.
And there's pressure. Yeah, this is where he launches, goes big, outside edge, and it goes for four. So the first boundary is at third man as Henal Patel takes the new ball from the other end.
Takes the aerial route, he's got height, doesn't have the distance. Is Miron going to come around? Aaron George drops it. I think there was always a doubt about whether Vedant Trivedi would go for that catch, or will it be Aaron George who'll go for it?
High balls are never easy, and the communication under the high ball is of great importance, and on this occasion...
Can breathe easy. Oh, he connects this time around. Does Hamza Zahoor and dispatches it. That's gone the distance, the first six of the match, the first six of the final.
Oh, he fares against the new ball. He likes to go big, takes his chances. That's the nature of the boy. And this time he makes a good enough connection, clears the boundary easily. The first six of the innings for Hamza and Pakistan.
Clipped away off his pads, and this is going to be four more over the mid-wicket fielder. Minhas not holding back here, taking the aerial route to clear the infield for four. Oh, well fielded. Superb effort. That's Kilan Patel in the covers. Much to the delight of the Indian supporters.
Yeah, this is brilliant from the fielder. This kind of effort just lifts the whole team. And we saw these, and the keeper running to him. And that's a brilliant save. He saved four.
Slashed away, but this will be four. There was width on offer. And Samir Minhas gets his second boundary in this over. Oh, that is tremendous. But has he got the distance on it? Got the height. And it's gone the distance towards the longest boundary. That's six for Hamza Zahoor.
What a great shot that is. Charges down the pitch and launches it. The onslaught continues. It's 31. And this is how he brought about this stroke. Use of the feet. And this pitch is easy paced. It's not looking like a Gabba pitch or not behaving like one.
Oh, the bat handle came loose. This could be a wicket. It will be a wicket. Ayush Matre, the captain, latches on to the catch. And this time around, Henal Patel tastes success. The Pakistan under-19 side lose their first wicket as Hamza Zahoor's got to go.
Once again, Hamza going after the ball, and this time losing the grip of the handle. And the ball just skied up. And an easy catch to the captain, Ayush. The first wicket in the fourth over. It's 31 for 1.
That's the left-hander who walks out into the middle, Usman Khan. 65 runs in the 4 matches before this, best of 27. The stars of today, the superstars. Oh, that's played away in the air, and that's going to be 4. Helping it on its way, Usman Khan. Kishan needs to find his line very quickly. In the air, the third man there has gone for 6. I wonder if he spotted the ball. The sun coming straight in his eyes. Henal Patel was struggling there, and that's gone for 6.
Indians would have hoped that it's an easy catch for the fielder, Patel down there. And he was unable to judge it at all because the sun was directly in his eye.
A bowling change being rung in by the Indian side. Dipesh Devendran, the leading wicket taker for the Indians with 11 wickets to his name in this tournament. Pulled away over the infield. He's picked the length early and pulled it on the front foot for 4. That's going to give him a lot of confidence. The 50 comes up on the board for the Pakistan under-9s. Clipped away. It was on the pads and put away. This ball might have the legs to take it over the ropes. It does. That's 4 more.
Punched away. Ayush Matre has something to chase and it beats him. Timing superb. Usman Khan looks in fine touch.
Another positive for Pakistan is Usman Khan. The way he is moving around.
Oh, he's taken the bowler on and sent it high in the sky. 6 of the highest order.
Glorious, glamorous. That's Samir Minhas for you.
Gorgeous. Simply gorgeous. Replay that again and again.
That is sensational stuff. Great weather to be out here at ICC Academy.
He's gone towards square leg. Just beat him. Samir Minhas with a stroke of luck.
We are just not worked for India. He must not be that worried as he's played beautifully. Oh God, he can play. This boy has so many shots all around the ground and he plays them with confidence.
That is a safe shot to play against the off spinner. So safe that it went along the carpet to the boundary. He is certainly one to watch out for. Sublime Samir Minhas has showcased his mentality, his tenacity, his talent at the biggest of stages. A 50 in the final.
And what a humble way to celebrate it. This shows that he's not done yet. The commitment that he's showing, that shows in his celebration. Samir Minhas.
Over the bowler's head. Swatted away. He can ooze class and sometimes he can pack a powerful punch. Fetch that, would you? Usman Khan is oozing some confidence as well now.
Yeah, where did that came from?
Again, the slog sweep. He's finding those spots and he's finding those gaps. These are useful runs and a very useful shot against the off spinner. Sweep. Just hitting it from outside the off stump, knows his spot. Going over the man at short square leg, so becomes a very safe option.
World Cup for them. That was against India, low scoring match, but look at that. Samir Minhas will go down to the boundary for 4. Expensive over that.
He's gone round the wicket, the usual angle he bowls. And he's done it brilliantly because he pushed the fielder back to backward square leg with that slog sweep and he opened up that short fine leg area.
Oh. He's been good. He tries to pull this. It's in the air. Fielder there makes... Oh! Just when you say makes a mess of it, he holds on to that in the second attempt. Ilhan Patel gets his man.
Well, I'm a little bit surprised about that shot from Usman Khan. Very, very surprised, to say the least, because there is a partnership of 92 of 82. Again, very, very ambitious, but he'll get a boundary. Just wants to kind of release the pressure with that shot. 139 for 2.
Once again, kind of scoop.